we are concerned about escalating tensions in the region. It's been something, as you know, we've spoken about a number of times. It's something we've focused on. We've been incredibly concerned about the potential for escalation since October 7th, and that's why we have engaged in intense diplomatic efforts to try to prevent escalation. So I will say we noted the comments from the government of Pakistan about the importance of cooperative relations between Pakistan and its neighbors. We thought those were productive, useful statements, and certainly there's no need for escalation, and we would urge restraint on all sides in this case.
The importance of Africa to the administration, but this will be the